How to Change Facebook Account Password 2025 Step-by-Step Guide. Looking to change your Facebook password? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to update your password step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Next, tap your profile icon, go to Settings and Privacy, and select Settings from the menu. Under Settings, scroll down and tap on Password and Security to manage your login settings. Now, tap Change Password. Enter your current password, then type your new password twice. Make sure your new password is strong. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Finally, tap Update Password. Your new password is now set. For extra security, consider enabling two-factor authentication in your security settings. That's it. You've successfully changed your Facebook password. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and hit the bell icon for updates. See you in the next video.